Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ismail Deni Hazamno from Bmmw S1 section. My number metric is B0920101127. Our group consists of three people, which is Amma, Amarul, and our group product for kitchen appliances. This subject is sandwich maker. On my part, I want to talk about the introduction. Consists of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. First, I want to talk about the overview of the project. For our group, for a better understanding of the material concept and creativity applied to the product, we will create an inspirational and instructive sketch. Our lecturer will review the sketch before approving the production of the product. After obtaining the lecturer's permission, we will select the best sketch to be drawn in SolidWorks. After finishing the drawing, we convert the SolidWorks file to STL format and prepare the flash print program for prototyping. Following the prototype process, we print the product using a 3D printer and prepare it for market. Product summary: Sandwich maker machine is the ideal kitchen device for the fast lifestyle for 21st century. Even though they are inexpensive, it is preferable to choose a non-stick sandwich maker that will endure for a long time. Sandwich maker is an electric appliance or kitchen appliance for toasting sandwich. Sandwich makers is a necessary appliance for today's kitchens and fast-paced lifestyle. The objectives for our product is to develop their knowledge of the product design and development project. Second, to design solution for broadly defined engineering technology problems. And for improve the design product and feature for the product is for 1.4, I want to talk about the design problem. Which is our design problem for our sandwich maker is human error. Even excellent designers can make mistakes when they trust their intuition and test their ideas on real people. Because they know too much about their products, designers are one of the most vulnerable to human errors. A chosen product feature on the designer side may not be acceptable to the end user. As a result, many difficulties can be avoided if people who want and interests are considered. Next, I want to talk about product planning and identifying customer needs for 2.0. First, I want to talk about the identification of opportunities. Several actions are taking place relatively to the gathering and evaluation of the market opportunities. There are 3 points, which is individual interest and flaws recording, market trends, and customer study. For opportunity funnels, market products, the market drives the development process with an existing technological solution. The corporation must meet the market need. There are 3 steps to take place for the opportunity collection. First, establish a charter, generate opportunities, and select opportunities. For competitive strategy, there are 3 main points, which is the technology leadership, the cost leadership, and the customer focus. For market segments, I want to talk about the 2 main reasons for a development team to segment the customers. Consider the strategy or action competitors, and by mapping the competitors' products and your own products onto segments. For product planning, I want to generate it, which is 5 main points of this product planning. First, identify the opportunities, evaluate, prioritize projects, allocate resources, and plan timing, complete project planning, and reflect on the results and
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Sufian, and this is our mission statement for our product. Okay, for topic of identifying customer needed, we have six subtopic under it. Okay, the first one is need statement. It includes identify, distribute, collect, and create. The second is establish product design specification. The procedure is identify the issue, recognize customer feedback, involve entire organization in conversation, decide which product feature to incorporate, carry out user testing, and make changes based on what user decide works and doesn't. Next, this is our product design specification table. Next is benchmarking. We take Concord Sandwich Maker as our benchmark, and this is the feature of the product. House of quality has 10 procedure as below. This is our house of quality for our product. Final specification. This is our target cost for our product. The next one is design phase. The, the initial big picture or macro design is known as concept design. It demonstrates what problem the product will address, how it will address them, and how it will feel as it does so. Concept design is arguably the most imaginative stage of product development, with sticky notes slapped on the whiteboard, ink and wash, and even napkin and crayons. It encourages us to consider big concepts and all of the possibilities. The greater the number, the better. The fundamental soul of invention is concept design. This is our group concept sketching. Okay, for concept selection, we have POOK method and weight rating method.
Assalamualaikum, I am Kamarul Shahrin and I will present the conclusion, which consists of the discussion, recommendation, and references. To conclude this project, we were able to design solutions for broadly defined engineering technology problems and to design systems, components, or processes to meet specified needs with appropriate consideration for public health and safety. We can also organize the product through the outcomes of analyzed problems. At the end of the report, we were able to conclude that our teammates can apply the process and procedure of this project. We were able to finish this report, which is successfully conducted by students, and the objectives had been achieved. And as for the discussion, product design in general refers to the process of imagining, designing, and iterating products that solve user problems or meet specific market demands. Successful product design requires an understanding of the end user customer or the person for whom the product is being built. To solve real problems for real people, product designers use empathy and awareness of their potential clients' routines, behaviors, frustrations, requirements, and goals. Most people don't realize that product design plays a far bigger and more strategic role than they assume. It is more than just the process of making a product look better. Validating the problem as well as developing, designing, testing, and delivering a solution are all part of this process. The sandwich maker need to design and fabricate and assemble at the end of this project. The software that we use to design the product is SolidWorks. SolidWorks helps us to design and document the product's design process.